It is October 23rd, 8 p.m. and I received my package. I pre-ordered the iPhone the day that it came out, October 16th, and it was just released today and I received it today. So I'm going to be unboxing it.
I'm going to do the full unboxing right here. It's the iPhone in the package, and it comes just like this. I'm not sure how exactly to take this out. Definitely don't want to drop it. I don't have the case yet.
The iPhone silicone cases that they have out right now, I think the colors are ugly as fuck. So I will not be getting those. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, so the iPhone is out of the package right now. Here's what the box looks like. It's a lot smaller than iPhone boxes used to be because they are trying to cut down on environmental cost or something like that. Sorry about my nails and black hair dye. I don't want to drop it, I'm so scared. But here's what it looks like. The camera is not doing it justice at all. Here is what the iPhone looks like straight out of the box. It's really, really pretty, really pretty. Just take it out like this. Carefully. And oh, it does come with a charger, but it does not come with an adapter. Here's just the, this is for your SIM card. And also an Apple sticker if you want to put it on your computer or whatever. And then it comes with a USB-C to lightning cable. Here's a shot of the phone itself. It reminds me of the older iPhones because it has the squared off edges in comparison to my 7 Plus. It is slightly smaller and thinner. The Pro size is good enough. And then you just lift it up like this. So this is what it would look like coming out of the box. You would have your micro, what is it called? The micro SIM remover card in here, and then your lightning cable here. And I just want to show you guys in normal lighting what it looks like. The sides, they are mirrored, and just take this off. Okay. And in comparison to my iPhone 7 Plus, it is a little skinnier and a little shorter, but it does feel good in the hands. It's off, very fresh. I do not have a case, so I'm going to be very careful with it. Ooh. I thought there was something on it. I thought I broke it already. I did not. We're all good. I'm gonna work on setting it up right now and hold. Ooh. This is cute.
Alright, so, yep, going to the and you select your country.
So it seems like, at least with iOS 11, you can do a quick setup. As long as it's signed in, it will transfer data and I think apps and stuff like that. That camera though. So you can either transfer data or choose other options, which I am looking at right now. I'm kind of confused, I don't know. I'm so excited. So, I'll see you guys next time on my what's on my iPhone 12 Pro video.